So this Lenovo computer appears to just have some missing screws, and usually we think that once we just put back in the screws everything will be fine. But the unfortunate thing is that most times screws don't just fall out because screws go into sockets. So if the socket is still in place, the screw should not just drop out. So on this side the screw is actually missing, it dropped out, and that is good. The screw receiver is still in place, which means this side can be re-secured just by putting in a screw. But unfortunately on this side, while the screw receiver is still in place, it is not good. It is shaking out of place, and these are a part of the palm rest. So in order to get back that screw hole socket, the palm rest would actually have to be changed. In addition to that, the back cover is also damaged. So take a look. So if you look here, you'll see where this is shattered. So even when you run a screw through it, it will not keep the back cover securely fastened to it because a part of the plate has been damaged. Take a look at the next side to see the difference. Look over this side, you'll see what it should look like, and when you look over this side, you will see what it actually looks like. So the back cover is also compromised. So as simple as it looks, this machine would actually end up needing a back cover and a palm rest to get a proper refurbishing. Here at i5 Jamaica Services, we only do proper refurbishing. So sometimes we're able to just put it back together so that we can order parts so customers can use it in the meantime. But professionally, we do not offer patching services.